struggling to optimize your website and campaigns for better conversions? That's where Optimizely comes in. In 2025, Optimizely helps businesses run A/B-less, multivariate experiments, and personalization campaigns across websites, apps, and digital channels. You can test headlines, layouts, and features to see what drives engagement and revenue. The real strength is data-driven decision-making. Optimizely gives marketers clear insights, reduce guesswork, and helps create experiences that actually convert. While smaller teams may need some setup guidance, it remains a top choice for testing at scale. So, if you want smarter experimentation and higher conversions, Optimizely is still a platform to consider. Like the video, subscribe, and comment what tool you want review next.